How to fix Instagram story music not found. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram story music, then first thing you need to do is open up your settings. And after opening, now you can simply go for apps and notifications, and then you can go for see all apps and go and search for Instagram. And after opening your Instagram on your settings, now you can go for storage and cache, and then you can go for clear cache, and you have to clear all of that cache which is on Instagram. And after clearing your cache, you can simply check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't have that music which you are finding. And after clearing the cache, make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So first open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after opening Instagram on your Play Store, here you will have an update option. So if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you have to simply tap on update and you have to update your Instagram application. But if you have already updated and if that problem still exists, then the music that you are searching on Instagram might not be available on Instagram. Like for example, if you go and open up your Instagram, and then if you simply tap on my story or your story, which is on the upper left, you can go for camera, and then here after taking a story, like after taking a photo, now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that stickers icon, and then you can go for music. And if you don't find the music which you are searching, then that means that music is not available on Instagram. That might be a problem. So you can simply choose another music and then you can add that to your story. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall your application, and after uninstalling, you can again install it and then log into your account. And the last fix is to restart your device. You can simply tap on that power button, like hold on to that power button, and then on the upper right side you will have a restart option. You can simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.